First, engineers meticulously assemble the rocket, piece by piece, in a controlled environment. They fit together each component with precision, ensuring the vehicle can withstand the intense forces it will meet. The rocket comes together not as a single entity, but as a series of stages, each with its own engines and fuel supply. Once complete, the rocket moves to the launch pad, a process in itself that can take several hours or even days. Here it stands tall and ready, a tower of potential energy waiting for the spark to set it in motion. As the countdown begins, the excitement builds. With each passing second, the rocket undergoes final checks. Systems, engines, fuel levels, everything must be perfect. Then the pivotal moment arrives. The rocket engines ignite, spewing forth a fiery plume of exhaust. The ground shakes, the air vibrates, and for a moment, time seems to stand still. The hold-down clamps release, and the rocket begins its ascent. It's a slow process at first, as the vehicle fights against Earth's gravity. But gradually it speeds up, roaring into the sky on a column of fire and smoke. As it climbs, the first stage of the rocket exhausts its fuel and detaches, falling back to Earth. The second stage ignites, pushing the vehicle even higher. This process repeats until the final stage is alone, hurtling towards the edge of space. Once in orbit, the payload, whether it be a satellite, a probe, or a crewed capsule, separates from the rocket. Its journey has just begun, but for the rocket, the mission is complete. It has done its job, turning potential into kinetic energy, and in the process, giving us a small glimpse into the infinite mystery of the cosmos. So, to recap, the rocket launching process is a meticulously choreographed sequence of events. It begins with the assembly of the rocket in a controlled environment, followed by its transfer to the launch pad. The countdown initiates final checks before the engines ignite and the vehicle lifts off. As it ascends, each stage of the rocket exhausts its fuel and detaches until the payload is in orbit. The rocket's mission ends there, but for the payload, the journey is just beginning. Through this intricate dance of science and engineering, we reach out to the stars, continuing our quest to explore and understand the universe that lies beyond our blue planet. Each rocket launch is not just a spectacle of power and precision, but a testament to human curiosity and our unyielding desire to explore. After a long journey, the spacecraft finally approaches Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Its hazy, nitrogen-rich atmosphere comes into view, a mysterious orange veil shrouding the moon's surface. The spacecraft initiates its descent sequence, and we ride along, virtually, through the lens of its onboard cameras. We plunge through the dense, cloudy atmosphere, a thrilling descent that feels like something straight out of a science fiction novel. As we break through the cloud deck, Titan's surface emerges, a stark alien landscape dotted with lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane. The spacecraft lands with a gentle thud, its landing pad sinking slightly into the soft, icy surface. As the dust settles and the first images start streaming back to Earth, we get a glimpse of this alien world, a new frontier for human exploration. It's a moment of triumph, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our unyielding desire to explore the universe. Freshly landed on the icy surface of Titan, the spacecraft begins its initial exploration. Its instruments, designed to study the moon's geology, atmosphere, and potential for life, are hard at work. As the rover trundles over the alien terrain, it stumbles upon something extraordinary: signs of alien life. The onboard camera captures images of small, translucent structures pulsating gently on the icy surface. They are unlike anything we've seen before, a stark contrast to the bleak and barren landscape around. These life forms, if we may call them that, appear to be simple organisms, perhaps akin to Earth's extremophiles that survive in the harshest environments. We watch in awe as these alien organisms seem to interact with the methane and ethane in the environment, possibly suggesting a biochemistry vastly different from ours. Could they be using these hydrocarbons the way we use water? The mere speculation sends a wave of excitement through the scientific community back on Earth. This discovery not only redefines our understanding of life, but also opens up endless possibilities for future exploration and study. The existence of life on Titan, even in its simplest form, forces us to reconsider the conditions necessary for life to emerge and thrive. It's a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds, waiting for us to unravel. As we continue to probe the secrets of Titan, we're left with a profound sense of wonder. What other surprises does this alien world hold? And what could this mean for the search for life beyond our pale blue dot? As the spacecraft sends more data back to Earth, we eagerly await the answers to these tantalizing questions. Following the monumental discovery of alien life, the rover continues its journey on Titan's alien landscape. As it navigates the icy terrain, its sensitive instruments begin to pick up something unexpected, strange, unexplained sounds and movements. The sounds are unlike anything we have ever encountered, a symphony of alien whispers that echo through the cold, methane-filled air. As our team back on Earth analyzes these bizarre auditory phenomena, several theories begin to emerge. Could these sounds be the result of geological activities, like the shifting of Titan's icy crust? Or might they be biological, possibly related to the newly discovered life forms? The rover's instruments work tirelessly to capture and analyze these sounds, feeding the data back to Earth for further scrutiny. As the rover presses on, it encounters strange formations on the surface of Titan. These are not just the icy structures we anticipated, but objects that appear almost architectural. These formations, captured in high resolution by the rover's camera, spark a flurry of speculation among the scientific community. Could these structures be natural, formed by alien geological processes? Or could they, in an even more thrilling possibility, be the work of intelligent life? These new mysteries add a layer of intrigue to our mission on Titan. As the rover continues its exploration, we find ourselves on the edge of our seats, eagerly awaiting each new piece of data it sends back. What will we discover next on this alien world? As the mysteries of Titan deepen, we are reminded that we are not just explorers, but pioneers on the frontier of the unknown. Each discovery, each unanswered question, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.